Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an oil pressure sensor on a 2010 Camaro SS, fully loaded. And when we're going to do this, how we're going to do it, you could take the whole plenum off and take everything off, but all you got to do really is reach back here, unclip it, and you're going to screw this by hand and then clip it back in. So let's get to it. Really tight. My glasses. Oh, it's like right there. Let me see. Pause it real quick. I know that. All right, guys, we got it off, and it was harder than it looks. Everything was pretty stiff, and the space back there is pretty small. But we got it off, so now I'm gonna start screwing the sensor out. So yeah, we'll be done pretty soon. Oh, I'm gonna need to get a socket. All right, I'll be right back with the socket. All right, guys, I got the socket on there. Now it's time to take the actual sensor off. It's really, it would be easier, I guess, and more time consuming to just take off the whole plenum, but it's also, like I said, more time consuming, but it would probably be easier on your back. If I could get it out of here. Let's see. Maybe I should try with a longer wrench to break it loose. Alright, let me go get a different one. Alright, I got a longer one, so we should crack it loose pretty easily. And there we go. Leverage is king. Don't let anybody tell you different. If they do, they're lying. That was my conscience, what y'all just heard talking in the background. Should be able to do it by hand now. Take this deep socket out, sit that down. Yeah. As you can see, I had to put the gloves on. I should have speed this up, but I'm not going to. There we go. Voila. Caked up and kind of dirty, actually, so yeah, needs to be replaced. As you can see, it's a filter that goes under the sensor. And this is the old one, and this is the new one. So I'm going to just drop this down in there, press it in there, and make sure it's straight. So from there, we're going to put the sensor back in. So let's get to it. All right, dropped it down in there. Now time for the sensor. You can cut it right there. All right, we got the filter in there. Now we're gonna put the, oh yeah, this is the brand we're gonna go with for the sensor. Closest to OEM you're gonna get. So I'm gonna insert this in there, turn it a few times, then we can just plug it up. We're good to go then. Now we're gonna tighten this on. Not too tight, you don't want to break anything. Don't have to Hercules it on there. All right, we got the sensor in there. Now we're just gonna clip it back in.
There you go.
All right, guys, just gotta clip this in. It's clipped in. So now we're gonna let it run and test the oil pressure, and we'll go from there. You can see right here, the oil pressure right there. So I'll be back once it get warm. And it's back up, and we're gonna see where it stays at. But all right, guys, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll have more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching. Let's keep trying to make more content. See you in the next one. Peace.